In this video, we went to every Konbini in Japan and we were testing to see which one is the best. But to be honest, we actually missed a couple. So if you want to see the ones that we didn't get, make sure to like and subscribe. But first, let's start the video. It's actually evil that we have to walk next to McDonald's to get our first meal of the day.
I'm so hungry.
I'm starving him.
I've fasted for like 30 hours now.
Alright, and we are here. I don't think I've ever been to Mini Stop. Do you like Mini Stop?
Yeah, I love this place.
He
They
said-
got soft serve ice cream.
He said they have Baskin Robbins, so I don't. This is gonna be the craziest breakfast. They don't have this.
It's wrong. It's actually Haagen-Dazs. They have
Haagen-Dazs.
it's Daily.
Oh wait, look at these parfaits.
Really good.
Those look good. Wait, these are the same ones that Lawson has.
Are they?
Yeah, the Grand Parfait. Oh shit. I will say I don't think I've seen strawberry cheesecake before, so I'm gonna get that. Also, it is like what, 1 o'clock, and we still haven't ate breakfast, right?
Yeah, I'm starving.
Alright. They gave it kind of like McDonald's, but Isaac got his soft mixed ice cream.
Yeah.
It comes with an edible spoon, which is crazy.
Pretty tough.
I got French fries and cheese corn dog. So we're gonna now walk to the park.
Cheers. So I got a protein shake. Got spicy like chicken nuggets. I got a waffle stick. I gotta have a Red Bull in the morning.
He says morning, the sun's almost set. This is our
It's
first
like
meal.
afternoon.
And we got like French fries and I got a cheese corn dog, some French fries, cheesecake parfait, and this looks like it would be hot, but it's just really carbonated. I think it's like lemon flavor. It's not bad.
You'll hear a lot of people talk about like Family Mart or like 7-Eleven here, but I think they really miss like. Not many people are talking about Mini Stop, and I think they have like some of like the most interesting food. Maybe not the best, but
I don't think I've ever been, to be honest, but I tried these yesterday. KFC flavored chips, and they taste just like KFC, so we're both gonna try them.
I haven't had them yet.
He hasn't had them. Alright, time up. Breakfast, by the way. What the hell are you?
Hey, what's up? We just passed by Bona and we're on the way to a like a big mall like area. I don't know, is it a mall? It's like an area with
It's
a
like
bunch
3
of
malls. Yay, we made it to the mall. Oh boy, I hope they have food here. Oh wow, look, they do have a 7-Eleven. Alright, so
You're recording?
yeah, we went to 7-Eleven really quick for a little snack. Daily Yamazaki is right over there, and I think we're gonna do like full lunch there, but we might do some shopping. So I got a karage bowl. This is like my go-to. It's 4 pieces of fried chicken on a stick. Fire. I also got a strawberry milk, and then not every 7-Eleven has this, but they have a bakery in this one where they have chocolate chip cookies that they like cook for you.
They're really
They're
good.
really good.
So because we're going to Daily Yamazaki soon, they're kind of known for like fresh baked goods and bentos and stuff. I just decided I'll get a little snack, so nothing too heavy, but I got first we started off with the unsweetened cafe latte. 7's known for like their latte. I got some apples. Gotta get some fiber. Chocolate and pumpkin cream pancakes, like sandwich, and it looked pretty good. And it's like October specific, even though it's November now. I just thought it looked good, looked cute, so I wanted to try it. So that's what we got today.
I'm just munching on this karage bowl, right? Daily Yamazaki. I've never actually been to this one. Isaac, he talks really good about it. This is the one.
Baskin Robbins.
This is the one with Baskin Robbins.
They're known for onigiri and sandwich.
Yes. Hey, you looking at something?
No.
The Daily Yamazaki in question. Looks pretty good. They bake them daily. Did you know that?
Daily Yamazaki.
Wait, Isaac. What's up? We found a really nice park and almost got attacked by killer wasps.
Yeah, I saw a dead killer wasp. I was like, oh, that's terrifying. Thankfully, it's dead. And then one just like dashes right over, like right next to my ear, over my head. I'm like, we gotta get out of here. Yeah, we went to Daily Yamazaki. I got a protein shake. I got some fried chicken. I've never had it from there before. I got a green tea. I got a burger and onigiri just because it's like what they're famous for.
And we both got Baskin Robbins. I got Pop Rocks and cotton candy.
We got popping shower.
And then I got, this is also, I will say, their sandwiches and their onigiri was really good looking. And they had like an applesauce flavor, so I'm gonna try that. That looks pretty good. Anyways, we're gonna enjoy the scenery and we're gonna enjoy our food. So. Hey there! Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm 8 out with the braid. We are now going to Family Mart. Are you excited, Isaac?
I'm full, bro. That Daily Yamazaki messed up my stomach.
The onigiri was so bad. There is one in the station, but it's really small, so we're gonna walk a little farther to give Family Mart a better chance. I just want to point out, the only reason I would go to Daily Yamazaki is for Baskin Robbins, and then right down here is an actual Baskin Robbins. Like, I mean, for what reason would I go to Yamazaki?
You should keep singing. I can't even see you.
You can't say that?
No, it's because of the lighting, not because. Oh my god.
Alright, I think you can. Alright, we're at Family Mart.
That was terrible.
Alright, so this Family Mart actually had a sit-down area, so we're gonna sit down in here and eat our stuff. I got a Famichiki and a peach drink. What did you get?
My stomach's destroyed from Daily, but I got a little coffee protein shake. It's not family chicken, but it's really good.
It's a chicken from Family.
Definitely recommend it. Then I got like this little tiny, it's like a Laffy Taffy.
Alright, Famichiki review. The thing about like Japanese fruit flavors is this tastes like I bit into a peach. Like, that tastes like a real ass peach.
Real ass peach.
The ice cream too is the same way. Same way. Don't look at the magazines. Don't look at the magazines behind me. Alright, it is dinner time. He just called me big.
I said he's
He
big
said,
mad.
he said, you're probably so mad because you're so big and
That's
fat
not
and
what I
ugly.
said.
That's so
That's
fucking
not-
rude. I got these for later. I'm probably not going to eat these now. This is the pork and soy sauce ramen if you haven't tried it and you're in Japan. Okay. I got chili taco flavored tortilla chips. They're chips and like they're snacks. So good. I got a soy sauce flavored deep fried chicken meal. And it was 200 yen on it. So like $1.50.
Yeah, nothing.
That's pretty good. Like it's 6 o'clock. I don't know why they're like doing almost half off the price. Not even like 2 hours after the sun is set.
So fun fact before I get into mine, I used to work at Lawson. I worked there for a whole year when I first came and moved here.
I also came.
What?
I got another one of these protein shakes. They're pretty good. I like them. I get that instead of, soda or whatever. I also got these The Hard. They're called The Hard gummies because they're really hard. I mean, just like me at 6 a.m. I got this caramel chocolate ice cream sandwich. Man, I got this Kit Kat, Santa Kit Kat. Merry Christmas. It's November though right now.
What the hell no?
And then I got this protein bar, which is my favorite protein bar. It's pretty good. And then
For you, maybe.
maybe for you.
Maybe for you.
For you, maybe I got chopsticks. Why didn't they give me chopsticks? I guess maybe I'm chopped.
Like and subscribe if you were like.
Like and subscribe if you're chopped.